बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बे ज़िदनी इल्मा. Students, today our topic is unit number 3, plant and their part. Students, as you know, plants are living things. They need air, water, soil and sunlight to grow. Students, plants grow in different ways. They grow in all shapes and sizes. Some grows in soil or on the land and other grows in water. Students, now types of plants. Students, some plants are big and some are small. So now today we will learn there are all types of plants. In the types of plants, first one we have shrubs. Shrubs are small plants but having the woody stems. Their stems are too much soft but woody. Next we have herbs. Herbs are small plants with tender green stems. They have tender green stems and fleshy stems. They are often aromatic and the leaves can be used to flavors because these herbs used for beautiful smell and flavors. Next we have creepers. Students, creepers are plants with weak stems. Their stems are too much weak, so they cannot grow straight or they cannot hold the plant straight. Students, these plants grow along or close the ground. The examples we have here: watermelon. You can see the watermelon grows with the plant which have very weak stem and grows close the ground. Next we have climbers. Students, these plants also have very weak stem, but the change is this, that these plants can climb up on other plants or any surface. And example, you have no grapes. Next we have trees. Students, these are the largest plants. They have single woody stem called the trunk. Some trees are thousands of years old. Each year the tree grows a new ring inside the trunk. We can tell the age of the tree by counting these rings. Student, the tough protective outer layer of a tree or woody shrub is called a bark. This bark is found on all over the tree stem. Next we learn the parts of plants. Students, mainly the plants have 4 parts: flower, leaf, 5 parts: flower, leaf, fruit, stem and roots. These are the main parts of the plant. First, stem. Stems are the stalks that move water and food through the plant to the leaf and flowers. Some also support the parts of a plant. Student, next we have flowers. Flowers are part of some plant that become fruit and seed. These grow into new plants. Leaves make food for the plant. Leaf also make a gas called oxygen. We breathe in the oxygen from the air to keep us alive. And next we have fruits. Students, many plants have different types of fruits, and some fruits have seeds inside them, and some fruits grow into a new plant. Students, the examples are strawberries, apple, apricot and many more. And at last we have roots. Roots take in water for the plant from the soil. Roots work like straw to suck up water. They also help to hold the plant firmly in the ground. Okay. Next we learn the parts of a fruit. Students, the fruit have mainly 3 parts: skin, seeds and flesh. Some fruit flesh we use to eat and skin we remove out, and inside the fruit we have seeds. Students, some fruit have only one seed, some have a few seeds, some have many seeds, and these two seeds grow into new plants. Many seeds grow into trees. Seeds come in all shapes and sizes. And at last we have nuts. Student, nuts are hard shelled fruits of some plants. They have one seed and a hard shell. Student, here we have all description of our unit 3. Inshallah, we will meet in our next lecture. Till then, take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.